Alright, this is the Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to show you how to roll up and roll down the windows. This vehicle is a little bit different because it doesn't have the controls in the same area. Normally, the window control functions would be on the door, but as you can see right here, they are not on the door. So where are they? So the controls are actually on the middle console. So if you look to the right, okay, here they are right here. These are the controls for the windows. Right here, you press this, it rolls up and down the window. You see that? It rolls up and down. It's the controls for the front, back, side, passenger, and driver side window. Also, there is a lock feature where you can lock the windows to keep the passengers from rolling up and down the window. That's this middle thing right here. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.